Uy, going to Tagaytay soon at naghanap kayo ng pet-friendly staycation? Para sa iyong video na ito. Yo mga kanos, alam nyo ba ang nalaman ko? Kami napadpad sa Twin Lakes Vineyard Residences sa Tagaytay para mag-staycation sa Dayuhin Staycation. Yes, malapit lang ang location nila sa mga restaurants and convenience store, kaya kung may gusto kayong bilhin, easy lang puntahan. For Dayuhin, they have 2 cozy units. Para Luman Suite is for couples, while Buklod is for family or friends that is good for 6 packs. Both units have self-check-in system, kaya no hassle kahit late kayo makapag-check-in. Kumpleto sa sinesenda details si host or owner, kaya naman sure akong lahat ng itatanong mo ay nasa deck na. Both units have their kitchen area na may basic appliances and cooking wares, kaya pwede kayo magluto. This is their dining area na may provided dining wares, kaya no hassle at very convenient. Meron pa ngang pa-welcome coffee at free chocolates. Both have a very clean and spacious bathroom area na may hot and cold shower, toilet and bidet and sink. FYI, may provided towels, hair dryer and body wash and shampoo na din. May living room na masarap tambayan kung sa pwede kayo manood ng Netflix or Prime, o kaya naman mag-board games and card games, or maglaro ng PlayStation 4 for Buklod, and meron siyang sofa bed at karaoke mic. They have a very nice bedroom with a queen-size bed and fluffy pillows and snug duvet. There is a dedicated workstation na tamang-tama dahil meron silang free wifi. Pwede kayo tumambay sa balcony dahil meron itong magandang view na nakaka-relax. For community amenities, meron silang game room, fitness center, and jacuzzi. They have parking area din for your cars. And this is their rates if pagbubuk kayo. O ano pa inintay nyo? Ito na ang hinahanap nyo na pet-friendly staycation sa Tagaytay, ang Dayuhin Staycation. Let's go!